How to stack RON tokens. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to check out the stacking site of RON. Then, once you are completely logged in your RON stacking, you need to head over and check out for My Stocking tab. It is mostly at the top in your dashboard. For that, tap on the home icon. Then you will see My Stocking. Select on it. After which you will have to connect your Ronin wallet. In order to do so, at the top you will see Connect Wallet option. Tap on it. Wait until your wallet is connected. Enter the required details regarding your wallet. Moving on to the next step, click on the All Validators tab to see the list of all the validators you could delegate to. Then, it will load up all the possible validator. Choose on any of the validator that you wish to. Then at the bottom, you should see the stack option. Just tap on the option of stack. Enter the total amount of RON you would like to delegate or stack, then click on Confirm again or Stack again. After which, confirm the transaction in your Ronin account. And that is how you'll be able to stack RON tokens. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.